Hey everyone, this is Rami, and in this video I'm sharing with you how to configure payments in Stripe and to know the different payment options that you can do, whether you're creating an invoice, subscription, payment link, or any payment plan. When you log into the Stripe from the home page here, you can simply press on this create plus icon. And once you press it, you have the option to create invoice, subscription, payment link, and payment. So what's the difference? If you want to send someone of your client an invoice for a product or service you do, you just press on invoice. And here where they receive, let me show you, where they receive an invoice from you to their email. So in order to do that, first you need to put the customer email or add the customer here. Here you have the option to select the currency and here to add the item. So from here you can set do the item, add the item, the quantity of the item, and press save, and it will go here. It will update here if you see it. So this is the item I just added, the Clarity Business, and it's here. Then you have the option to collect tax. If your business collect tax for services or not, you have here. You have the option to edit here. And here, request payments and when it's due. You can set up the due date. If it's within tomorrow, today, 7 days, 14 days, it will show here too. All right. So like here, due date January 17. I can do it 7 days, so it will change it to December 25. So, and here, if you want to schedule send date, when to send this invoice in advance, payment method, card, cash, Apple Pay, App Pay, or ACH direct debit. And from here, the delivery, email invoice to customer, or do not email invoice to customer. You have this option. And if you want to include your brand, you can edit more your brand setting here. If you open brand setting, you can add your colors, your logo, and everything here. For now, I just want to show you what's possible. And you can create a new template for this invoice and add memo, like thanks for your business. You can add footer. Here you can add something at the footer or have custom fields. So once you're done editing all these options, you can preview the email here and the invoice, and this is how it's gonna go. This is how they're gonna receive in their inbox the invoice, and this is the payment page when they press on that invoice. It will take them this here and they select how they're gonna pay and they pay it. So in order to do that, you just, once you finish here, you just send the invoice. So this is the first method. The second one, you can create subscription. If you have a subscription based product, membership for anything, same thing, you can type the customer here and then select the product. If I have this $37 a month product, for example, and the same thing, I can select to collect tax, yes or no, and here the billing monthly start. You have the option to choose when this to start, and if you're adding any free trial days here, and this is metadata to add more description. And here for the payments in the subscription setting, you have the option to automatically charge a payment method on file or email them invoice to the customer to pay manually. So it's up to you how you want to set it up. And same thing, you can save this to a template. And this is what they will receive. This is the invoice preview, that what they can receive. And once you're done, you create the subscription here. All right. Other method for that, let me show you what you can do. Create payment link. So if you want to send a payment link for your client to collect money as a deposit, you just want to use a quick way, payment link is the best option for that. You simply find the product here. Here you don't need to select a client or add a client because you're sending a payment link. You can send it to multiple clients and or group of people. It's one link for everyone to pay. So same thing here. You can add a product if you don't have it in advance, or you can simply choose a product from the list. All right. So if I choose this one and I want to send this one, you see here, this is the product, and I add it and add the description to it. And here I have the option to add another product. If two product, I have the option to collect customer address, require customer to provide a phone number, or limit the number of payments. So all these options I can add it to this payment link. Also I can add custom field, allow promotion code if you have a promotion code, allow business customers to provide tax ID. This is if you're doing like business to business. Save payment details for the future use, require customer to accept your terms and conditions. So you can add all these advanced options. Once you're done, you create the link, and once the link is ready, you go to this page, you simply copy this link and send it to your clients. All right, it's just one link, and I'll show you a preview. If the client will receive this link, this is the payment link, and they have the option to pay with Apple Pay or email address and the card and so on. They continue. All right, so this is just a payment link. It's not an invoice, it's not a subscription, it's a payment link for certain products you choose. Now for the payment plan, it's here under payments. So if you want to create a payment plan, for example, if you have a product of $6,000 and you want to break it down into 3 payments, you want to create a payment plan for your client, you can use this one here. You simply press payments, and from here you have the option to do one time or recurring. So if I want to do payment plan, for sure I'm going to do recurring, and this will open a new window for me. Okay, and this is kind of subscription. So you create a subscription, and here you select the clients again. Then you will decide the duration here. So because subscription detail, it's gonna be, for example, if it's 3 payments, I can choose how many cycles here. If 3 payments, that means 3 cycles. Okay, and I'll choose the product here, and then it will tell me here the amount. Okay, also you can add here free trial days to start collecting money on a certain date. Like if December 18, you can give like 5 days if you're doing that. Let me go back to it. So again, you first type the customer, then select duration, how many cycles. All right, you can do custom cycles here, so I'll do 3 cycles, apply, and select the product. So if your product is like $6,000 and you want to break it down to 3 payments, that will be $2,000 a month. Then if same thing, you have the option to collect tax, and here you have the option to have the automatically charge a payment method on file, and also these same like the other payment option to save the template and the invoice. All right, then schedule subscription. So this, from here you schedule the subscription, and it will start to charge the customer once they submit the first payment. Okay, If you have any question, feel free to write in the comments and I will be more than happy to answer you. Thank you for watching.